Hello, my name is Joanna. I'm from the Global Search Collaborative, and I'm here today with Lizzie from the UK, Alexis from France, and Gustavo from Brazil to tell you about our most recently published paper in the BJS Open about a surgical workforce prediction framework, where we assessed how many surgeons were off work during the first COVID-19 wave, and we've predicted how many surgeons are available within the surgical teams to actually deliver surgical services during COVID-19 waves.
So in this paper, the main finding of the study were that surgeon absence due to COVID-19 is 20 to 25% in the first 6 weeks of a wave. Secondly, this surgeon absence goes down to 9 to 14% after the 6 weeks. And lastly, throughout a COVID-19 outbreak, there were enough surgeons to keep elective surgical volume at 75%.
We've run a survey to collect real-world surgeon input from 364 hospitals in 65 countries about absences with the surgical teams. Then, an international expert group of surgeons defined the minimum number of surgeons needed to maintain the services.
In the end, a framework was developed to estimate how many surgeons were needed throughout the pandemic wave and how many were redeployable to support other hospital areas to treat COVID-19 patients. We concluded that during the first wave, there were enough surgeons to maintain elective surgery and possible for surgical teams to be redeployed to contribute towards hospital level resilience.
Alexis, how do you think this data can be useful for France and your hospital?
We've planned to send the paper to the main surgical societies in France in order to spread the word, and I'm sure this will help teams and hospitals to get prepared for the next potential waves. Hopefully, this framework will help to point out which teams might be vulnerable and require more help and local strategies to protect their services. This framework will help as well to plan rota for surgeons available for redeployment in other parts of the hospital, and planning is a real key in such outbreak.
Thank you very much. What about you, Gustavo?
We also intend to send it to your societies, and we hope the framework helps both small and large teams in your big country.
Thank you, everyone.